Hi everyone, and hope you are all doing very well and wish you all the best ever in your life. So guys, today I'm not happy, but I am so happy because I am back again to you. I always feel happy when I am coming back to you and making new videos. This thing makes me so excited and giving me a lot of positive energy, especially those days because I'm very busy. I don't have enough time to go to the flying field. Life has changed a lot, but still I'm trying my best. Today, as you see now, I have the Soxos 700. I decided to make different video with a different helicopter because I know many people would love to see some different helicopters most of the time. Today we have the Soxos 700. I have the red one, white one. The only two different between this one has, the red one has Xnova motor 4525 520 kV. The white one have Xnova motor X Tareq. This one has SAB blade, and this one with spin blades. But the other things same. MKS servos, V-bar system, Hobby Wing ESC, fully max batteries, Supra X connector S7, and I will do maybe short flight. I'm not sure if I will do for both helicopter or one, but what I'm going to do, I will fly the helicopter at the beginning very soft, because many people ask me, can you fly soft then you increase the head speed to see different flying style? And this is what I'm going to do today, and for sure I'm going to read your comment, guys. I feel always so happy because I read a lot of very positive words from you guys. Thanks to you today and every day. And let's go fly and wait for my next videos.